Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the windshield wiper blades on a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So you make sure that your vehicle is powered on. Now the engine need not be turned on, just the display needs to be turned on. And what you need to do is you need to go ahead and hit this engine button. So I hit the start button and it's going to bring up some lights here. So this is when you need to do this quickly, guys. You need to turn on the wipers and then quickly hit that button again so that it fixes the wipers in a certain position where you can see the the change indicator, and you can work on changing the wiper blades. All right, so let's give it a try. I'm gonna move this quickly so that my wipers start moving, and then hit the engine button quickly. So that's gonna put my wipers, as you see, in that position, and now I can go and work on them. But before I get out of the car and show you how to change that, let me show you this one thing. So this is what I ordered on Amazon. Let me turn the lights on. All right, here we go. All right, so when you place the order on Amazon, I'm going to include the link in my description below, but make sure that you enter the number right for a 2021 GLC 300 to get the exact part ordered. All right, so let's get out of the car and let me show you how to change that wiper blade. All right, so this is important. I'm going to lift this up, and it has this little yellow indicator on top. Let's see if I can make this more visible to you. So as you can see, this is a little warning symbol, like an exclamation inside a triangle. That's an indication that your wiper blades are ready to be replaced. All right, so what you're gonna do is lift your wiper blade up in this position so that you can see this little square right here. And holding it in that position, you just put your thumb over here and you lift this. It just clicks, you lift it up, it clicks, you get that clicking sound, and then this automatically comes out. So there goes your old wiper blade with that symbol. I'm gonna put it here so that I can show you the difference between this and the new one. The new one's right in here, so let me take that out. All right, so here's the new one, and as we can see, you can clearly see the difference. The old one has this little yellow indicator, but the new one, it's all blank. There is nothing. It's dark, it's clean, there is no indication. So this is brand new, and this is what I'm gonna replace the old one with. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I am going to put this right in here, easy to fit, and holding it in this position, I'm gonna just press this and bring it down. And you get this clicking sound which locks this wiper blade in place. And there you go. Super easy, right? This is done, guys. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You all have a great day. Thank you very much.